We're here at SLE Equipment at Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Snapper 360Z with a 42-inch cutting deck. This mower does have a 42-inch fabricated steel cutting deck. Has your removable floor panel here to get to maintenance points. Has the padded seat. This does also have the deck wash port here. This mower does feature aluminum spindles. Here we have your fuel tank that's going to hold 3 gallons. Have your built-in cup holder. This does feature a 23 horsepower Briggs & Stratton B twin ReadyStart engine. So there is no prime, no choke. Rear bumper. Here we have your hour meter, PTO, throttle. This does come with a plastic chute. Cutting height is foot pedal operated. It's going to have heights between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Once again, this is Snapper's 360Z with a 42-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.